Okay, so I'm going to show y'all how to use the Align tool. So we'll just draw a couple of walls real quick, just a couple of generic 8-inch walls. And we're going to draw them so that they're not lined up with each other. And then what you're going to do is come right up here to this tool, the Align tool. You'll click on it. First you'll click where you want the wall that you want to move to come to. So let's say we want this wall to move down and be level with this wall, flush with this wall, and we want the outside to be flush with the outside. So you'll just click right here on this line, and then you'll click this line, and it'll snap down, and now it's flush with each other. And then another way you can do it, there's a shortcut, and you'll just push AL, and that will automatically bring up the Align tool. So let's say we want to bring the lower one up now. You'll just click this line and then this one, and now they're aligned to each other.